Well, this is the biggest update from Haulio AI. If you have been using Haulio AI for those sweet daily 100 free credits, then you have to brace yourself because the things have already changed and it's not good. And this is absolutely a bad news, but don't worry. Well, Haulio AI has officially stopped offering the 100 free daily credits that so many creators were relying on. Whether you were using it for voiceover, video editing, or any social content, this update might put your workflow on pause. Like recently, I just visited the official website of Haulio AI, and as you can see, there is no mention of free daily credits anymore. This means new users and even existent ones now have to pay for credits and to explore the other options. Like, I don't know why they did this. It might be their trick of giving the free credits for gathering new audience and then shifting them to subscription model. But anyways, the subscription model of Haulio AI is worth it. But now I know this is frustrating a lot. But don't worry, because I already have found a couple of powerful alternatives that offer free AI credits daily, and you can easily convert your text into video or your picture into a video, and soon I'll be revealing them in the next video. Okay, so if you don't want to miss that out, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because the Haulio AI alternative video is coming soon, and I am damn sure that you will love what is in that store. Okay, so well, drop a comment below and tell me how Haulio's AI update affected you. Okay, and also tell me which AI tool you're switching to the next. Well, let's help each other and just stay ahead. Like in my recent video also, I mentioned about Haulio AI because I too used it a lot in my daily workflow. But now we don't have to pause, we have to look for the alternative, and I have got you. So this is Athhexx bringing you the smartest AI tool for the creator as well as for the people like you who are creating the workflows. So just subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.